Congratulations! We've finally completed the course on learning Power BI. We've now learned the entire development process of a Power BI report. Now, before I go, let's take a moment and recap the overview of this course so we can see all that we've accomplished. We first learned how to take a given set of requirements and translate those into action items to create a report. From there, we walked through the report development process that we would go through in Power BI. Starting with connecting to a data source, taking that data and transforming it with Power Query into consumable data. We then took that transformed data and created a data model with it, including creating calculations with DAX measures. Once we've completed our data model, I then guided you through the Power BI report interface, helping you create an effective report. And finally, we took our completed report, published it to the Power BI service, and then learned about the important features in that environment. These skills should give you a solid foundation to now start using Power BI for yourself and continue your learning and development with additional resources. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed developing it, and thanks again for watching.